What's up YouTube? Welcome to another vlog. You know, it's one and only all about Macintosh. So today I'll show you guys, I'll give you guys a tour of my quick setup for charging my Tesla Model Y. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Yeah guys, so I've been charging my car at home for a while now, and it's been pretty good. Every day I have at least 80% on the car. I've read online where it says keep your car plugged up if possible. Let me know what you guys think. Is that a true statement, or does it affect the life of the battery? Because from what I was reading, it says it does helps with the life of the battery. So I have mine running straight through the duct from the house. That's where the dryer exhaust, or whatever you call it, would have been escaping from. So, but that's what really I have right there. And then on the inside, yeah, I recently moved here, guys. On the inside, I have this right here, right? So where you'd have the dryer plugged in, that's where I have that. I bought this extension, or this piece right here, so it could fit, you know. And then I have it running through here. Yeah, this charger I bought on Amazon. Yeah, it's pretty good. You know, it's pretty good. It's fast, and my car stays at 80% at all times. You know, so yeah, that's my setup, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, I appreciate you guys.